Asia. It is the largest continent by land area, and also the most populated. It has 49 countries and a population of about 4.8 billion people, which is close to 60% of everyone on Earth. The continent stretches from Arctic regions in the north to tropical islands in the south, creating extreme geographic variety. It contains Mount Everest, the highest point on land, and the Dead Sea shoreline, one of the lowest points on Earth. Some of the world's most populous nations are located here, including China and India, each with over 1 billion people. Asia produces a large share of the world's rice, wheat, and manufactured goods, and several of the largest global economies operate within its borders. Africa. It includes 54 countries and more than 1.4 billion people, representing a rapidly growing share of the world's population. The continent is crossed by major geographic landmarks, including the Nile River and wide freshwater lakes that support millions of livelihoods. It is home to the Sahara, the largest hot desert on Earth. At the same time, Central Africa contains some of the world's largest tropical rainforests, rich in biodiversity and vital for regulating the global climate. Its landscapes range from arid deserts to dense equatorial forests and high volcanic mountains. Africa has one of the youngest populations on Earth, with a large proportion under 30 years old. Many economies are expanding through agriculture, natural resources, and emerging technology sectors. Europe. Europe has about 44 countries and around 740 million people living in closely connected regions. The continent includes major mountain ranges like the Alps and many rivers that supported trade and city growth. Europe was the main stage of the two world wars, conflicts that changed global borders, politics, and international relations. Because of its long history, the continent is filled with castles, cathedrals, and historic cities that still stand today. Many of the world's developed economies are here, supported by strong education, infrastructure, and technology. North America. It has 23 countries and about 600 million people. The continent is dominated by three large nations: the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Its landscapes range from Arctic tundra in the north to warm tropical regions in the south, with major natural landmarks like Niagara Falls and Grand Canyon. The region includes vast forests, fertile plains, and large freshwater reserves, especially in Great Lakes. North America is one of the world's strongest economic centers, led by the United States, while Canada is known for natural resources and Mexico for manufacturing and trade. South America. It has 12 countries and a population of over 430 million people. The continent is dominated by two major geographic features: the Andes, the longest mountain range in the world, and the Amazon River, the largest river by water volume. Surrounding it is the Amazon rainforest, the biggest tropical rainforest on Earth. South America has vast natural resources, including oil, copper, lithium, and iron ore. Countries like Brazil and Argentina are major agricultural producers, exporting soybeans, beef, and other crops worldwide. Culturally, South America is known for its vibrant traditions, languages mainly influenced by Spanish and Portuguese history, and globally recognized music and sports passion. Oceania. There are 14 countries with a combined population of roughly 45 million people spread across thousands of islands in the Pacific Ocean. The region is centered around Australia, the largest country in Oceania, along with nations such as New Zealand and Papua New Guinea. Despite covering a massive ocean area, the geography of Oceania is incredibly diverse, ranging from the dry deserts and grasslands of Australia to tropical islands, volcanic landscapes, and coral atolls scattered across the Pacific. One of the most famous natural features is the Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system in the world, stretching for more than 2,300 kilometers along Australia's northeastern coast. Many island nations depend on fishing, tourism, and agriculture, while larger economies like Australia and New Zealand are supported by mining, farming, and international trade. The region is also known for its unique wildlife, including kangaroos and koalas. Antarctica. It covers about 14 million square kilometers and has almost no permanent population. No single country owns the continent, as it is governed by the Antarctic Treaty System, which allows the continent to be used mainly for scientific research. Most people there are scientists and researchers staying temporarily at international research stations. Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. Nearly the entire landmass is covered by a massive ice sheet that holds about 70% of the world's fresh water. Winter temperatures can fall below -60 degrees Celsius, Even in its extreme environment, Antarctica is still home to animals like penguins, seals, and whales. One of the most famous species is the emperor penguin, the largest penguin in the world,